Welcome to Magdeburg, where culture speaks louder than words. Today we take you through an incredible journey of colors, cuisine, music and unity at the Cultural Festival 2025.
Hello, welcome to Philippines booth. Here you can see a public transportation, it's called tricycle, and this one is a public transportation as well, it's called jeepney, and this one is our native house in the Philippines. We also made a few desserts, which is coconut macaroons, and these are pudo, ube flavor, and pandan flavor, and this is also maha blanca. It's with corn and coconut.
Hi, we are from Ukraine, and today we are representing our culture. We have really colorful nature, colorful culture, and really hospitable people. Also, in our booth, you can try our delicious food and enjoy the national symbols of Ukraine.
Hey, we are representing Armenia. My name is Ruben, and my friend Sona. You can find many interesting photos from our country here, right side. Photos about our traditional dances, traditional church, traditional food also. Yeah.
In the heart of Magdeburg, something beautiful unfolds, a celebration of unity through diversity, a place where cultures meet, traditions thrive, and every step introduces you to a new world.
Hi guys, I'm from Nepal, the land of mountains and temples, and I'm gonna share some things about Nepal. So Nepal is known to have the tallest mountain range in the world, which is known as Mount Everest, but it's actually called Sagarmatha. Nepal is also known to have a living goddess called Kumari.
What does it call this?
Mate.
Oh, mate.
It's like, German has, like mate, that is made also with shea mate, but in Argentina we drink it, like it's like tea.
Yeah, I have seen it.
Ole, 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 Argentina te quiero más. Yo soy argentino, es un sentimiento, no puedo parar. Ole, 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 ole.
Hello, welcome to Artisan. We are making right now arepas with cheese. This is a Colombian dish, and we are right now frying it, and we are grilling it on the pan. Yeah, so this is how it looks right now.
It's really tasty. It's made out of corn. It has a lot of cheese, and it's really salty.
Yeah.
So I come from Kyrgyzstan. That's a country in Central Asia.
So something, what is it?
Well, this is borsok. It's a fried bread. This is kurut, special Kyrgyz cheese.
Hello everyone, my name is Muiz Khan and I am from Pakistan, an international student here, and currently I am representing my country here, which is Pakistan. It is the country in South Asia subcontinent which offers a lot more. We have tourism, we have food, we have culture.
Hello, I came from Indonesia, our beloved country. We're filled with all different kinds of people, different cultures, different tribes, and we all live together in a harmonious way.
So it's like we're representing India, South India and North India. We don't really differentiate between the two Indias, but we have a lot of cultures. We have a lot of regional differences. So that's where a lot of spices and everything. So I guess, yeah, after coming here, you will be having a great experience.
At this vibrant festival, each corner tells a different story. Stories passed down through generations, now shared with the world through food, music, crafts, and connection.
খাবার খুবই মজা হয়েছে, এক্সের গরম করা খাবার, বিশেষ করে এই পাকিস্তানি বিরিয়ানিটা মনে হইতেছে যে বাড়ির পাশের নান্নার বিরিয়ানির মতো। আর সবাইকে অনুরোধ করতেছি আমাদের স্টল ঘুরে যাইতে, যদিও খাবার প্রায় শেষের দিকে, খাবার পাবে কি পাবে না জানি না, ঠিক আছে? সবাইকে শুভেচ্ছা, ধন্যবাদ।
গত 2 বছরের ধারাবাহিকতায় আজকেও আমরা কালচারাল ফেস্টে আসছি। ডিফারেন্ট কান্ট্রির কালচারাল দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি আমরা ফিজিক্যালি দেখতেছি, খাইতেছি, কালচার উপভোগ করতেছি। তুমি?
হ্যাঁ, নতুন করে কিছু বলার নাই। কি বলেন ভাই? আমাদের কি নতুন করে কিছু বলার আছে? যা হচ্ছে আশেপাশে ভালোই হচ্ছে, উই আর এনজয়িং।
From hand-woven fabrics to handmade art, every detail reflects the essence of a unique heritage. The rhythm of traditional instruments and the taste of age-old recipes bring the sense alive. It's more than a festival, it's an experience, an open invitation to learn, share, and understand. Here, language is no barrier. The smiles, the flavors, and the spirit say it all. Stage voices rise in celebration. Traditional performance echo with pride, bringing people together under one sky, one rhythm, one soul. In moments like these, we remember that our differences make us beautiful and our connections make us strong. Magdeburg's Cultural Fest isn't just a day in the calendar, it's a reminder that when we open our hearts, the world feels a little smaller and much more united. Thank you for being part of this story. Don't forget to share, support, and celebrate the beauty of being together, wherever you are from and wherever you are going.